Hey, what is going on, everybody? My name is Marissa, and in this video, we are going to be talking about making money online both in 2018, so the rest of this year, also 2019, and really it carries on into 2020 and beyond, and also some easier business models if you're looking to get started online for you to start. Welcome back to the video, guys. My name is Marissa Romero if you are new to the channel, and what you can expect that I talk about on this channel are all things that are related to making money online, including things like e-commerce, affiliate marketing, sales funnels, paid ads, organic traffic, email marketing, you name it, it is most likely on this channel. And right now I am posting on a daily and pretty much consistent basis. So go ahead and smash that subscribe button, hit the notification bell. Now, if you guys are excited about today's video topic of making money online now and in the future, go ahead and give this video a thumbs up. Now, this is kind of off topic, but kind of funny, but the other day, somebody commented on my video. They were like, Marissa, it always looks like you just got out of the shower. And I'm like, what does that even mean? So I'm like, okay, well, I'm going to make an effort to look decent on camera so people don't think I just got out of the shower. But I even like put makeup on for this video, and I don't even know if you guys can tell if I have makeup on. So let me know in the comments if you think it looks like I just got out of this shower, because I really want to know. Like, I mean, I don't know. I just turned 30 years old, and makeup isn't really something that I wear a lot. But I figured if I wear it a little bit, people might think it looks like I just didn't get out of the shower. So I actually like brushed my hair, put on a nice shirt, did my face. So hopefully it's more presentable to you, whoever that was that commented. I forgot your name. But yeah, it doesn't really matter. So let's talk about these business models. Now I'm going to talk about these business models in a second. So 3 ways. And what I mean by, in the title I put like easiest business models for beginners. And that is true, but don't think that it's not going to take hard work. It's just like any career you get started, any skill set you learn, it's going to take time. And the faster you grind, the faster you hustle and learn these skill sets and not excuse yourself from doing the work and giving up, the faster they are going to work for you. Now, please keep in mind that any profession you are in, any hobby you have, any expertise you have can literally be made into an online business. And you'll kind of get the idea when I flip the screen and talk about these business models on my computer. So without further ado, let's go ahead and get started. Okay, so we are back. Welcome to my computer. All right, let's go ahead and talk about the first thing that I think is one of the best ways to get started online. What in the heck? Okay, cool. So number 1, I would have to call digital product creation or selling informational products online. Now, literally, the sky is the limit for this type of thing. You can create a course on anything. For example, I have an attorney friend. She probably never watches my YouTube videos, but I just had dinner with her last night, and she is into some kind of law. I forget what type of law, but she's actually interested in getting into this type of law called consumer rights. And so she's interested in getting into consumer rights law. So if you are already a consumer rights attorney, for example, you can create a course on how you built your own practice, how like the steps you need to take to build your own business, to have your own practice. Because right now she's actually working for a law firm on her own, and she's like, and she doesn't know how to start her own business. Even though she's super smart, she's actually scared to go into business herself. So there's always a market for information. There's always a way to sell information that you are knowledgeable in. I mean, I've seen YouTube channels where this guy actually, he has a barbecue channel, and he talks about barbecue accessories. He talks about recipes, all that stuff. And he actually has a course about barbecuing. Guys, that is insane. So I actually have an affiliate marketing course, and it is considered a digital product, and I sell it at a one-time fixed price. Now, the cool thing about digital products is it could be a one-time fee, it could be a recurring commission that you charge. And I love this business model for people getting started because, one, most likely you have a passion or expertise that you can sell and make money off of people wanting to know your information. And two, you don't need that many tools, and the startup cost could virtually be close to zero if you wanted to. So let's talk about digital product creation and why it is so great. So basically info products. So you'll create a digital product, and this is the benefits of this is it's highly scalable, extremely low cost to get started, and it is something, most likely 99% of the time, that you are passionate about, which is very important when going into business, because if you're not passionate about it, why are you going into business? So a couple of tools, let's talk about the tools you'll need and kind of how to get started with creating your own digital product. So one thing you'll probably need is a YouTube channel, because you're going to probably record videos, either with videos like how I'm recording now or screen share videos, and you're going to need a video hosting platform to host those videos. Even though they will be private or unlisted, you still have to have somewhere to put those videos. So you can easily do that on YouTube, and so you'll need YouTube to store your videos. So let's go ahead and write this down. So you'll need a video hosting place. In this case, we're talking about YouTube. You are going to need a platform / tool where you can actually host your course. Now, there's tons of different tools out there, notably like ClickFunnels. I use Kartra. I also use a tool called Builderall. Those are pretty affordable options, and there's many other options you could look into, but you need a platform and a tool to host your course. Okay, so really what you have to do is kind of sit down and jot down what your course is going to be about, build your course, and then you'll have to worry at some point about traffic. Now, you can easily start testing traffic and how well your course is converting on Facebook and on your Facebook fan page and stuff like that. So when you have the budget and you can actually start learning Facebook ads, driving traffic to your course, and same thing goes for Google ads, and also you can create a YouTube channel around your area of expertise, so that way you can attract free and organic traffic to your product. Okay, now let's talk about business model number 2, and that is consulting. Now, I love the area of consulting because, kind of like number 1, you can be a consultant for anything. I mean, life coaches, fitness coaches, business. You could be a coach on like having people get over different crazy addictions. I mean, the list goes on and on. I mean, you could be a coach for anything, really, or a consultant, whatever you want to call it. So the cool thing about being a consultant is that, let's say, and I have experience with this, and let me share my consulting experience. So I actually run Facebook ads for business. So businesses in the past, still I have a couple clients, but I used to do this way more full time. Businesses in the past actually pay you, so they paid me a fee every single month for me to operate their Facebook ads and, run their Facebook ads so they can get traffic to their offer, product, or service, and whatever it is. So that is actually a really excellent way to start consulting. That is one idea. Also, let's say you're a coach with diet and nutrition. So let's say your field's in nutrition and you're specialized in helping obese people lose weight and, meal plans and workouts for beginners and that type of thing. You could, implement business model number 1, first of all, but also you can be a coach and have several high-paying clients pay you to help them make that transformation. Because if you're a coach, more than likely you have and provide a service that offers a transformational thing. So people oftentimes need a coach or consultant when they're desperate for something, whether that's, in the category of love, relationships, money, fitness. They have to lose weight. you more than likely will have to have a transformational offer, which is not hard, in order to be a coach or consultant and for people to pay you either a monthly recurring fee or a higher ticket fee for them to coach you. Now, the cool thing about consulting is people don't always realize that it is very scalable. And the way it is scalable is, one, implementing business model one. So, you create a digital course to teach people the basics, right? So to teach people the foundational things they need to know. So you don't have to, be a talking drone and tell people over and over what the basics are. You can create a course that goes over all the basics so people can go through it on their own. And then where the big bucks can come in with coaching is with group coaching. So you can have, and this is why it's scalable, because you don't have to do so much one-on-one time with people. You can create a funnel and a webinar which leads people into your transformational offer, to your course, and the whole package. Because people, when they pay a higher ticket fee to get your coaching, it's because they need it and they'll take it seriously. If they don't pay you enough, they're not going to take it seriously. So that is how you can start a consulting business and scale it up. Definitely consider what your skills are. And if you have a skill that you think you can sharpen, go ahead and become an expert at it and study it more and see how you can become a coach or consultant. So, guys, that leads me to my next business model, my third and my favorite, and how I actually make a full-time online. And some of you may know, some of you not, and that is affiliate marketing. So people ask me all the time, like, how do I get started online? What should I do? I point to number 3, you guys, because this is very, very, very beginner friendly out of all of these things. Because 1, you don't have to have your own product. 2, you don't have to render the services or fulfill the product yourself. You can literally start this for free if you wanted to. So that affiliate marketing is actually selling other people's products online. Online is the keyword. So you would work with a company and you would get an affiliate link for whatever product they have to offer, and you would promote it online either with free traffic or an organic traffic or paid advertising. So the reason why I love this business model is because it's not like 1 or 2 where you have to, have an expertise or passion and start something and kind of build it up. This is something you can start right away and start promoting. Pick a niche that you're interested in, at least, preferably that you do have a passion about, because you're going to have to be building an audience and driving traffic within this niche, so it just makes sense. So as I mentioned, affiliate marketing is selling other people's product or service and getting a commission. Commission. So let's say, if you look back at 1 and 2, let's say you know a fitness coach and their program is $2,000. And let's say you promote their affiliate or their service and you make a sale to somebody who wants to join their program, you get, let's say, maybe a 30% commission off that $2,000 sale. That's pretty sweet, and you don't have to do anything. You can just wipe your hands and let the fitness coach handle the client and fulfill the service. So that is very high level what affiliate marketing is. Now the services, or not the services, but the skills you'll need to have for affiliate marketing is you'll need to learn how to build sales funnels. You'll need to learn how to do email marketing. You'll need to learn how to, first, before both of these is, building a brand around a certain niche to promote affiliate products in that niche. So there really is steps you have to take to become a successful affiliate marketer. However, the learning curve for affiliate marketing is way shorter than 1 and 2. If you guys are interested in learning more about affiliate marketing, I have a complimentary training in the first link in the description below. So why don't you guys go ahead and click the link below and get started in watching that training, and it kind of walks you through from A to Z the foundational things you need to know about being an affiliate marketer, and it also reveals my #1 program to start making a full-time income online. So if you guys are interested in that, go ahead and click the link below and get started today. And I hope you guys got value from this video. I hope it sparked some ideas. Just know that anything you want to do or any skill you have or career you have, whether you still are in the 9-to-5 job, you can start an online business and monetize whatever it is you're doing. Virtually any interest or skill could be applied online and either turned into a course, or you can become a coach, or whatever it is you want to do. So keep that in mind, guys. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please give it a thumbs up if you got value today, and I will see you guys on the next video. Take care.